Monsoon meant floating paper boats in the rainwater streams. It is the time when playing in the puddles of water is the best moment of the day. It is the time when the scent of earth, the petrichor, meant the onset of a joyous season. A few self-composed poems by the students of class 11th.
Again, it's raining. It's raining love. It's showering blessings. It's storming out hatred. It's fulfilling wishes. It's drizzling over sadness. Of all the weather there could be, plain water seems a gift to me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Padisha Tandon from class 11C and the name of my poem is The Song of Rain. Pitter patter, this beautiful song makes my heart flatter. All the worries and all the pains get vanished with the song of rain. When this song I'm able to hear, it takes me to my early years. Those paper boats and those flooded lanes all revive with the song of rain. It's truly said that the time flies. It's only our memories which lies. This world which is getting less humane craves to hear the song of rain. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Niharika Chaudhary. I'm of class 11C. The title of my poem is A Ray of Hope. My mind was full of negative thoughts. I was tensed. It was all dark, outside and inside. Suddenly, a sweet smell entered my nostrils. It was the scent of rain. I went out, not to get wet, but to feel the rain on my body and my soul. My childhood memories flashed in my mind. I felt in a way I've never felt before. Soon the sky got clearer. I could see a band of 7 colors. They call it rainbow. I call it a ray of hope.
Good morning. My name is Vedant Tyagi. I am from 11A. Today I am going to recite a poem, A Paper Boat. I am a paper boat who is born with an oath. My oath is to give best company to rain, as without it everything is in vain. I know that I will live for a short time, but I will enjoy my entire life. From here to there in the rainwater, I will enjoy the pleasant weather. Rain is my best friend, as without it I am never meant. Rain is extremely precious, it's just supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
The paper boats. The paper boats of those little scared chivalric days. The paper boats from those crazy naval engineering hands. The paper boats on the serene voyage of the drizzle's waves. The paper boats of white papyrus endeavored to the finest detail. The paper boats traversing amidst the tiny mist droplets that create the beautiful colored curves in the sky. The paper boats enrolled in the bounty of the monsoon. The monsoon of the bursting clouds. The monsoon of the heavenly rains. Our feet in the puddles and the water in our mouths. Drenched we were under the drops of heaven. I have quite different thoughts. Paper boats, and those were the days, those were the days. Why to think so? Our heart is always childish, and so we are. So live them back, make a paper boat today, grasp your creativity and move out. Christen it and live your happiness again. Thank you. This is Abhinit Agarwal from class 11th Shidi Sai Public.
My name is Mahima Arya and the title of my poem is Rain is a Blessing. So here I go. Rain is not a word, it is a blessing. Rain is not a word, it is a blessing. It's just not the sound, it is a feeling. It falls on the earth to swipe your tears and it shares the joy and relax you from fears. Rain comes with a happy vibe and take away sorrows from your life. So, I put on my coat and boots on my feet. I put on my hat and scroll down the street. The rain falls down from the clouds above. Splashing in puddles is what I love. So, start giggle in the drizzling of rain. Start giggle in the drizzling of rain. Life is vain until you enjoy.
everyone, this is Mitushi Saha, Standard 11th B. Today I am going to recite a small poem on rainy nights. So here I start. I like the sky in rainy night. Whole city glows with magic lights. Listening to the music of the raindrops, my heart delights. Rain all over the streets is just like a looking glass, and all the lights are upside down. The wind kisses me, the rain teases me to come out, and my heart glitters to dance. Thank you. I hope you like the poem.
Hello, this is Simardeep Singh from class 11th A. The title of my poem is The Beatific Parasol. So let's begin. The blooming hibiscus became my epiphany to the good old days, to my noctiphony with the hibiscus when its charm added colors to my mundane life. The plashing patter of drops from the sky, the enchanting petrichor concocted with the fragrance of the soul within the blooming flower, and the efforts of little fingers floating in the circular puddle within the soil, muddled, become my parasol in the storms of present.
Many sailors, many boats are waiting to welcome rain. The rain has come and all the sailors begin to sail in their boats. All the sailors are having paper boats and shawls. They wish they were there.
Hello, my name is Kalika Rastogi. I am the student of class 11C. The title of my poem is Rain is Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on, the wait is over. I am calling you, come play with me. I am your close friend. All the kids out with the paper boats, all jumping in puddles of water, singing, dancing, playing. Rain